thank you so much for coming back to Tiffany's Creations. We're glad that you're here. And today we're going to be making something for Halloween. It's from the Little Shop of Horrors, and it is a man-eating Venus flytrap. And the name of it is Audrey. So, thank goodness I have a creative daughter over here that can do all the hard stuff. But we just work well together as a team for little bits and pieces here and there. So, we're going to start it off with, we got this football here at Dollar Tree. So you're going to need one of these Nerf footballs. Tell them what else we're going to need, Tiffany. Oh, Mama. We're going to need glue sticks and a glue gun. You're going to need various colors of paint to paint it. And we just bought a couple little things to see how we're going to incorporate it. These we got at the Dollar Tree. And we got this moss. We got some little tiny skeletons and skeleton heads. And it's very important to get these fake nails. We got these at Dollar Tree as well. They have the ones with the point on them. I want to get the ones that have the point on the top, because they're for the teeth, and you want the teeth to look like that, like sharp. And then we picked up some foliage, some greenery here, these ferns and these, because it is a plant. So, and then these we got. These are really cool. Look at these. This is awesome. I bet you can't guess what we're using these for. You think they're gonna know?
For the plant?
They'll never know. We're going to use one of these for a tongue. These are perfect for the tongue. So that's what we're using these for. And then we just got little stuff like a pipe cleaners. You know what else? We have to make a little sign that says feed me. We're going to put on this pot. So we have these pots here. They're clay pots. This is what we're going to put it in. And we have these styrofoam little things to hold in what we're going to put the plant on. And that is going to be something that we found outside. Sticks. We're going to choose one of these sticks. So hang tight. Watch us make this. Have fun. And you should be able to make it too, because if we could do it, you can do it. Right, Tiffany? Right?
Yes,
that's right.
You're right.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do is... Tell them, T, you got
Mom, we're doing soccer.
We're going to cut the football with, I have a fillet knife. This will work good. It's styrofoam, so it'll cut good. She's going to cut out a mouth. So, that's what we're going to do first. And you just take the knife. You don't want it straight. You want it a little, I don't know, jaggedy, I guess you want to call it. Oh, and by the way, I didn't even get to tell you. We are going to make 2 of these. So, we are going to have a drawing. If you'd be interested in having one of these, all you got to do in the comments is put, what should we have them put, T? Venus flytrap. Put Venus flytrap, and we'll put your name in the drawing. We'll have a live drawing, and we will send you one for free.
But there's none.
Stop. Okay. All right, so she got the mouth cut out, and she did a nice, fine job. Can you see that? Very nice. Very nice. So the next step that you want to do is we're going to make lips. It needs lips around it. So we have the glue gun heating up, and Tiff's better at this stuff, so she's going to put the lips on it.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were going to do
No, you're doing the
Oh.
lips. I'm cleaning up the mess. Well, I have an idea. While she does the lips, I'm going to take a pack of these nails and I'll paint them white. Because we want them white for the teeth. We can't use leopard skin and pink for the teeth. So we're going to paint them white. So while she does that, that's what I'll do, okay?
I could just give you the white, Mom.
But I need the box. So I'm going to paint it in the box. We're going to need white. Is that still heating up?
It's done.
Move these over so they can see. Oh, and we made those. You can watch our other videos. We made the candle thing. Want to hold that up?
What you want me to do? You want me to do
the
this?
skull.
Or you want me to do this?
Whatever.
This?
Yeah. Hold that up. We made this in another video, and these are little tea lights that you can light up. So you can watch our other videos and see that. And we also made
Hold that up
a little, a little skull tray. And what we did is we painted the teeth white. In the video, they weren't white, but we painted them white. It's so super cool and so easy to make. So check out those videos. That'll be something cool to do. All right, so I did a coat of paint, the spray paint on the fingernails. Whew. And it bit her. Ah, it's eating everything. And it needed another coat, so they're outside drying. In the meantime, Tiffany's done with the lips, and she's putting these like lines down the back just for like a 3D effect, like to make it look real and coming at you, right, Tiff? So you just take and just make some squiggly lines going along the top of the plant. Now she's going to paint the inside of the mouth. Alright, so Tiffany mixed a couple greens together. Just greens, right?
Yeah.
She mixed a couple different greens together to do the head of the plant. And it looks really cool if you can see it from here. Tiff, show them before you get too far.
Oh, that looks brighter in there, but it is darker, really.
Yeah, it is. Yep. So she's going to finish doing that. Coming along. Alright, you want to paint this tongue while I go see how the nails are coming along?
Yeah.
Alright, so Tiffany painted the tongue with the red paint that we have here. Now the spray painting did not turn out very well. So we're going to use the same. What kind of paint is this stuff?
That's gloss.
Oh, acrylic paint.
Yeah.
Acrylic paint that she uses for a lot of crafts. So I'm just going to use this to paint the teeth because, ooh, I made a mess with that spray paint. While that dries and the tongue dries, Tiff came up with a great idea. See what I mean about her being creative?
Actually,
Amanda did?
yes.
Well, my other daughter, Amanda, who's sitting in the background, she didn't want to help us right here, but she's helping us from the couch. She said get a toothpick, which was a fantastic idea.
Hot glue it.
And hot glue it?
Yeah, hot glue it to the tongue.
So, while that's drying, and that's drying, and these are drying, let's take our pot. We just have a regular clay pot. And then we got this at the Dollar Tree. It's a piece of styrofoam. And we're just going to stick it in the bottom to hold it. Look at that. That looks great.
Okay, it's
All right.
still wet,
So that's what you want to do. You just want to stick it in there. Look how good she did. Look. That looks so cool. Wait till it's done.
the tongue, and then
Yeah. We'll put the tongue in next.
well, yeah, it could finish drying while it's off.
want pliers like a dentist?
No, that's good.
Oh my gosh, that looks super cool. Look at that. I love that we use that plant. It just looks so good. All right, that's good. So the next step is to put the teeth in the gums. You want to put in the bottom and in the top. So that's the next step. Now, I guess I could start placing some of this foliage in there.
Yeah, go ahead.
Get that going here. So we're just going to take the greenery here that we have and just place it in there. The hot glue. Gosh, that looks fantastic. Show them up close. Look how great this is turning out. Look! And we're going to make two. So if you want one, just in the comments down there. And we'll probably do the drawing. When can we do the drawing? Like 2 weeks before Halloween?
2 weeks. Before that.
When?
No, like. Yeah.
Alright, so October 1st we'll do the drawing. So if you're interested in owning one of these for free that I'll send you, just put a comment in the comment box down below and put in Venus flytrap. And then we'll put your name in a drawing, and on the 1st of October we're going to have a live drawing. So good luck to you. They are going to look so cool. Just to make it spooky looking, because it's Halloweeny and scary, and you make it your own. You can, or you don't have to put these on. So spooky and cool. This is really cool. I hope you make one. And if you do make one, take a picture of it and share it with us in the comments. We'd love to see it. All right, the next step, look what we did. We put that little feed me sign in the front. We got the skeletons on the side. Place them this way. Throw them this way. Oh, I think we have to.
I don't think there's a right or wrong way.
No.
Thinking the 5 or 6.
So we got a mess.
All right, so we're just finishing up the finishing touches here. And oh boy, are you gonna like this here. It's a little messy, but it's worth it. All right.
Oh, not the instant.
You're gonna have to put some hot glue dripping from the mouth and let it dry. Oh, what an effect that gives. Yeah, so just play around with it, make it your own. You can use different plants, and we just put skeletons on it and stuff. So go ahead, turn around. Ready? Oh boy. Oh, how cute that is, right? Look there. Look. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. I mean, she did a great job, didn't she? Let her know what a great job she did in the comments below, because she hit it.
Teamwork.
She hit it. Twist it. What a great job. Awesome.
This way?
Yeah. All right. Oh, that's just great. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget about the drawing we're going to have on October 1st. If you're interested in getting one for free, we're going to mail it to you. Just like the video and put Venus flytrap in the comment, and we'll enter you. We'll do a live drawing on the 1st of October 2021. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget, check out our other videos as well. We make a lot of DIYs, and we got a lot more planned that you're not going to want to miss. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks again. Have a good day.